Here are several reasons why you should join goal mapping workshop. Clear vision. Clarity is power. So set crystal clear goals that is aligned with your purpose and your vision. Get a proper action plan. No more guessing, no more confusion. Create an actionable step by step plan to turn your dreams into reality. And it is a proven methodology which is backed up by success. More than 11 million people worldwide have used this system, this goal mapping system, to succeed. Now it is your turn. Dynamic tools. It is a tool that will help you adapt to challenges, and it is a flexible online tool which you can use again and again to track your progress, but also adjust as life evolves. As you meet on new challenges and new problems, you can change it and then, see how you can get to your goals, even if there are blockages in the way. Focus on the solution. Stay ahead, because if you know what kind of challenges you can meet, you can learn to overcome obstacles and focus on creative solutions that will lead you to your goal faster. It is a tailored system for business, and it gives you an exclusive insight, because the benefit is tested by business plans and experts who have developed it. And it is a life-changing, transformative tool that will help you not just to achieve your goals, but will set you up with a mindset for success, and not just in your business or career, but in every area of life. Your success story starts here. And don't wait, register now and let us go on this journey together to transform your goals into reality. I'm looking forward to connect with you. So register now and let us get started